Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy. After so long, I have got the opportunity to interact with you guys, and I hope you guys had been putting the complete effort towards the preparation of Gate 2022. Because the Gate 2022 is almost 2 months away from this point. Obviously, very crucial time has been already running. Let me focus over the agenda behind today's video. As you can see over the digital board, the heading itself, we are going to conduct absolutely free open mock test for GATE 2022 aspirants from 3 different branches: electronics, electrical, and instrumentation. Yes, you heard it correctly. It's gonna be absolutely free in nature. Whether you had been the enrolled student of GATE Academy, whether you had enrolled yourself in another institute, or whether you had been preparing by yourself, self-study student, in all of 3 scenarios, this paper is going to be absolutely free. You are not going to charge any amount of money. So let me focus over the registration process. At the very beginning, you had to create your login credential. See, make a new registration / login with your unique email ID, and obviously you are going to register yourself. As far as the registration process is being concerned, you can follow the 2 alternate branch. Either you can use the web browser. There the URL which you have to type is being onlinetestseries.gateacademy.co.in. Either you can download our Play Store application. There you had to write the test series available in Play Store. Name is being Gate Academy Test Series app. Yes, either you can use this path, either you can use this path. Once you come through this path, you can see after uploading, test will be seen in upcoming section to all of the students. See what happens once you have registered yourself. You have to put your credentials over the web browser on this URL, either over this application. See what would happen. Now the student would have the next doubt, sir, where the test is going to appear. My dear friend, after the test is getting uploaded, probably today is going to get uploaded. Today is being 23rd of November. Today is going to get uploaded. So when this video is going to get released on YouTube, no, probably till that moment of point, the test will get uploaded, and that test would be visible over the upcoming section to all of these students. Could you understand what I'm saying? Now the next thing, what is going to be the exact date of the examination? The examination is going to get conducted on 28th of November. I repeat, 28th of November. And the window which would be open on 28th of November is gonna be in between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. At any time within this frame of time, you can log in with your credential, and yes, your timer would start for the next 3 hours, because the pattern of the examination is going to be hoo-ba-hoo same as the gate pattern. 3 hours you are going to spend. So at any moment of time in between 9 to 5, you can log in with your credential, and yes, you can appear in your examination. Agreed what I'm saying? Agreed. So the exam date is gonna be 28th of November, and you can log in with your credential at any moment of time in between 9 to 5 with the URL in your web browser, or either with the test series application. So I would recommend go through the test series application for the better experience. Yes. Next, a student can attempt the test, and once the test is been over, after 10 p.m. we will release the detailed report with which a student can compare their rank and can see the detailed solution. Could you really understood what had been the complete process? The first important point which has to be noted, the test is going to get conducted on 28th of November. The frame of time is going to be in between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yes, once the test part is being done, the detailed analysis as well as the report is going to get generated exactly at 10 p.m. on the same day. That's been the 28th of November. And yes, the detailed solution would also be attached with that. So few important points. It's been the completely free. That's been the first thing. This has been the procedure for the registering yourself. And one of the more important, the student who have already registered, or the student who had already been using our application, by default in their upcoming test, this test would be seen. So for them, they need not to have any haphazard. Just they had to go through the paper on 28th of November, and they can appear in paper. And yes, after 10 p.m. we are going to generate the complete report. Did you understand what I am saying? Yes. The next important point, what had been the use of this free mock test. The first is going to be the large sample space, my dear friend, as it had been completely free in nature. So we expect the number of students who are going to get appeared on this free mock test is going to be a chunk in nature. The number of students are going to be very high. So definitely you can assess your performance into the better way, because the number of students or the number of students in the sample space is going to be too large. That's why we kept it completely free. See, for the each and individual students we had to pay, and that we are going to pay from our pocket itself, but still no issue. Gate Academy can do this thing for our student, no issue. Next, the next important point, why the frame of time is being kept in between 9 to 5, my dear friends. We have designed the paper in such a way, the paper in electrical, electronics and instrumentation, probably they are not having any common question. Although if you take the problem from the analog, then also the problems are being distinct. So the student who had been aiming for more than one paper, like many of the students might be aiming for the electronics and instrumentation, electrical and instrumentation. In that case, what you can do, in the same day, you can appear in 2 different tests. But there what you had to do, you had to have the 2 different credentials. The first credential where the stream must be electronics, and the second credential, the stream must be instrumentation. Then only the 2 different paper would be visible. With the electronics, only electronics paper would be visible. For the instrumentation, only instrumentation paper would be visible. So for that you had to make a 2 different credentials with the unique email ID and phone number. So that is why we had a larger span. Next, the pattern of the problem is being very same as a gate pattern. Total 65 number of questions, 55 technical, 10 aptitude, few of them are gonna be MCQ, NAT, MSQ, the amalgamation of all. And the pattern or the look and feel of the complete platform would be very same as you are going to experience in gate examination. Did you understand what I'm saying? So I would request to each one of you, try to spread this information to the max student, whether they had been connected to the Gate Academy or not, because definitely it is going to be beneficial to all of us. All the very best for this examination. I hope all of the students from the electrical, electronics and instrumentation are going to appear on 28th of November in between frame of time 9 to 5. Yes, bye bye, take care, all the very best.